Number one, I prefer being early dash being late. A. Two, be over season. B. Rather than. So we say whenever there is prefer, we use to. I prefer something to something. So I prefer being early to being late, we say. Okay, number two, you dash drive while you are drunk. You dash drive while you are drunk. A. Must. B. Must not. C. Have. D. Don't have to. We say must not because it's not allowed to drive any vehicle while being drunk. ጠጥቶ ማሽከርከር በሕግ የሚያስቀጣ ወንጀል ክልክል ስለሆነ we say must not ክልክል ነው ማለት must not. Nice to meet you, Kibrom. Dash do you live? A. What? B. Where? C. Which? D. How? Where do you live? Nice to meet you, Kibrom. Where do you live? We say.